Hi, I'm Allison, and I help people declutter their homes and lives for living, selling, packing, and moving. And one of the things that clutter causes is anxiety. But one of the great things about decluttering is that it helps you lower those anxiety levels. Why? Because you're finally taking control of your stuff and where you are placing them, and whether you are choosing to have the things that support you in your life or allowing things that may trigger you to be in your life. So decluttering helps you remove those triggering items and helps you create a system to help you find everything easier and know exactly where they belong. Fair warning, when you're pulling your stuff out and you're sorting them into piles, it can feel even more overwhelming because all of your stuff is right out there for you to see, and then you have to make decisions on that. And that can be really challenging for some people. And that's totally okay. So, what you need to do, which can help you greatly, is to set a timer anywhere from 5 minutes to 1 hour and just pull out a few items that you know that you can get through within that time limit. This way, you know that you've got enough time, you've got enough energy, and you know that there's a distinct ending to this if this is a real big challenge for you. Put on your favorite music, boogie around. This is not a thing for you to feel like you're in hell. This isn't a punishment. This is an opportunity for you to get motivated, feel happy, and then pick the things that make you look good, make you feel safe, and get rid of the stuff that makes you feel guilty or afraid or ashamed, right? That's the stuff you get out. And when you've got that music going, it gives you the energy to get up, get going, and get out that stuff that no longer serves you.